Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove BitLocker encryption from Windows 10. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type manage -BDE, space, -, status. Disable -BitLocker space. -mount point space. Opening quotes drive letter colon closing quotes. Type manager -BDE, space -off, space, opening quotes drive letter colon closing cutos. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.